Hello again. The weather is expected to turn much colder later this week and into the weekend. It will be a real shock to the system, but at least on Wednesday morning, most parts of the country starting off mild. A lot of dry weather, windy still in the far north, gales around the far north of the mainland of Scotland, coastal parts of the Northern Isles as well. Some patchy rainfall here and also a few dribs and drabs of rainfall for western Scotland. Nothing compared to recent days, however. The wettest weather for now has eased. Elsewhere, patchy cloud across western and southern parts of Britain, and a few fog patches first thing for South Wales, southwest England, where it's been much less windy overnight compared to further north. That fog and any low cloud patches will tend to lift and disperse, and you can see how the cloud mostly disappears across much of England and Wales. Just some patchy stuff there for the northwest, and for western Scotland and Northern Ireland we keep the thick cloud. Very mild across the board though, temperatures 14 to 17 degrees in the east, not so mild further west, and it stays windy in the north of Scotland. That wind helping to push weather fronts through overnight, rain pepping up a bit more across central and western parts of the country, and clearing skies and colder air into the far north of Scotland. Elsewhere, cloudier skies generally on Wednesday night, and that means it will be generally another mild night. So a grey start for most, and we keep an awful lot of cloud across England and Wales compared to recent days, but still some sunshine coming through during the day for southern and eastern areas. The thickest cloud for Scotland, and through this central slice of Scotland pushing into the central belt through the day, the rainfall does become steadier and a little heavier for a time. Now this is a weather front, and it will mark a big contrast in our weather as we end the week. You can see how the temperature's generally ahead of that because of more cloud cover, 11, 12, 13 degrees. Colder air there in the far north, and that colder air is on the way to all parts through Friday. That cold front bringing the rainfall to central Scotland on Thursday. It sweeps through and Arctic winds arrive for the weekend. Doesn't mean that we're going to see snow widely across the country, certainly not. We will see fairly widespread frosts, yes, on Friday night and Saturday night. It will certainly be a shock to the system in terms of how it feels through the weekend, but for many places, I suspect, it will just be a sunny weekend. More details online through our app and via our social media channels. Bye-bye.